The single biggest hack that will make your productivity go sky high is realizing that you only need to work 4 focused hours a day. 4 focused hours a day become 1000 hours in a year if you work just 5 days a week. Once you understand this, you'll realize that anything is possible in 1000 hours in a year. You can write a book in 1000 hours in a year. You can take all the exams that you're going to take in university and study for them in 1000 hours in a year. You can build a business from scratch and scale it to like 10K a month in 1000 hours a year. You can learn and practice any skill and become really good at it in 1000 hours a year. So once you decide that you only need to work 4 focused hours a day, and then you take 10 hours out for sleeping and eating and all that stuff, you still have 10 hours left every single day. Those 10 hours to do anything that you want to do for fun. That could be work, that could be non-work, like Netflix and stuff, reading a book and stuff. This can be on fitness, this can be on any habit, any curiosity you want to develop, any side income you want to develop. You have 10 hours every day after putting that 4 focused hours already in. So from today onwards, start calculating those 4 focused hours a day on your calendar and see the magic that unfolds in your productivity.